Everyone is worried AI will replace humans. But what if it could actually make us more human? Specifically, more emotionally intelligent. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is your ability to notice your emotions, manage them, and connect better with others. Psychology shows EQ predicts success in relationships, leadership, and even health more than IQ does. Yet most of us rarely practice it. That's where AI comes in. I use a simple framework I call M.E.R.R, 4 ways to train your EQ with AI. The first is M.E.R.R. Use tools like ChatGPT or Notion AI to reflect your tone. Paste a message or email and ask, how does this sound emotionally? Psychology calls this perspective taking. Seeing yourself through the eyes of others. By externalizing your words, AI gives you feedback you'd never notice alone. The second is empathy practice. Apps like Replica or Pi.ai let you role-play difficult conversations. You can practice asking for a raise, giving feedback, or handling conflict. This taps into the psychological principle of exposure. Safe, repeated practice reduces anxiety and builds confidence. It's emotional gym training. The third is reframe. When stuck in negative thinking, tell AI your worry and ask, give me 3 calmer, more constructive perspectives. Cognitive psychology calls this cognitive reappraisal. Reframing the story changes how you feel. Instead of spiraling in worst-case scenarios, you shift into problem-solving mode. The fourth is reflect. Journaling with AI is like guided therapy light. Right. I feel stressed but I don't know why. AI may respond, you sound overloaded. Could it be too many commitments at once? Psychologically, this is labeling emotions. Studies show simply naming feelings lowers their intensity and increases clarity. You can also use mood notes or journaling apps with AI prompts for daily reflection. Of course, AI doesn't feel emotions, it only mimics patterns. If you over-rely on it, you avoid real-life discomfort. But used wisely, it's like a coach that helps you train skills you then apply with real people. So here's the big psychological insight: emotional intelligence isn't fixed. It's a skill, and like any skill, it grows with practice. AI gives us mirrors, safe simulations, reframes, and reflections we never had before. The question isn't whether AI will replace us. The real question is, will you let it make you better? If you found this useful, hit subscribe. There's much more coming on how to grow smarter, calmer, and more emotionally intelligent with AI.